Alright, hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. I got tired of waiting around for Southwest Wheel to get me those bearings. You should have come the first time around. I spent 20 bucks at my local store getting the bearing, or getting the seal. So again, I got tired of waiting around. They screwed me up. I'm behind almost a month behind of getting this in the water. So I'm going to go ahead and I spent the 20 bucks, and we'll get Elizabeth. I still got to get down there. I got to get it registered. And today's Tuesday. I'm going to get this done today. And get it down to, I got to get it down to Travelport so I can get it weighed. And get that weigh slip, get it over to DMV to get it to get it installed. I'm not going to pound the seal in this time. I'm going to go ahead and press it in with the press. Be right back. Okay, we're back. I used the press this time. Just put it under there. I got a flat piece. Put it right on top, and then pressed it down. Yeah, perfectly flat. All right. A little more grease on here. All right. In here. Okay. I put it in there. Put it in here. There we go. Top. Sure. This one's really good and greased. Alrighty. So now, I am still trying to get a freaking torque for this. Still driving me nuts. Things just, I don't know, I just can't seem to get. All right. This whole evolution is just a pain. Whew. I'm not sure how often you're supposed to grease the bearings to look all that stuff up. I bought some paint. Do that. I'm just assuming say here lines right up with this. Go over and on. Gonna lock on whatever it can, I guess. Alright. Get our cap on there. He's gonna pain wheels back. Alright, I like to get the one where you can grease it. Alright, here we are, boys and girls. We finally got it. I said I got some spray paint here for it. Oh man! Alright, get our tire on there. And we're done! The old hub for this. Finally, dude. Finally. You know, for all this, you know, I should have got freaking five lug instead of 4. Okay, just so you can see this style of lug or hub nut lock. Gonna go around just like so. It's gonna catch and flatten, but the thing you need to see is you have this little tab and that goes right in under that flat spot on the spindle. Jack stand. Bigger jack stands out of the way. We're done. Yeah. Ooh. Good. Alright, we'll get some stuff put away and then we'll move on to getting that tongue put on here. Alright, here we are. Got the tongue all hooked up. Got my wires all hooked up and ground. We'll go ahead and I'm going to get the escape backed around here. Get those wires hooked up. See if I've got, make sure I got lights. And tomorrow we're going to go ahead and get this thing registered. Okay, let's see if we got lights. Go plug it in. Hopefully I got lights. We got lights, we're all set. Plug in. Yes. I got running here. And we got sides. I do. We have side lights. Oh man! Oh, awesome! mean, I got right turn. No, I don't have right turn. Really? I got left turn. Oh man! Not. Oh, nuts. No turn. You got no turn signals. And those are bright like the brake lights. Lights on, I got turn signal. Huh. But I got brake lights and everything else. Well, I got running lights on. That's all I got. I ain't got no turns. Wonder why? Huh. I don't know why. Everything works fine as long as I don't have the running lights on. Okay, so we're at that point. Let's go ahead and get her off the rack. No grease. Let's get some grease on that ball. Oh man, long time coming, eh? I've finally gotten there. I'll take it down the road real quick. This thing isn't secure. I really can't take it down the road because I like all the trooper come by me and say, "Where's your plate?" Take the plate off the other way. Get you 7/8. What I got on here? You got that 2-inch ball on there. Uh-oh. What ball I got on here? That 2-inch ball. Nuts! Hold on. 2-inch. Alright, I can finally close this video. Holy cow. I'm going to pull this thing out of here and it's officially off the rack. And we'll go ahead and get Elizabeth on here. And then we can officially go do some searching. Off the rack now, and we'll go from there. We got to get it down to travel port and get it weighed, and then I can get my ticket and then get over to DMV and get a plate for it. All right, there we are. This is what I want. And it's gonna lay on the ground. Down here anyway, and then I'm gonna be able to slide Elizabeth right up on it, and then we'll get this will get up on the rollers, and then I'll have the winch, and then we'll pull the whole thing, pull Elizabeth all the way back up on her. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, up, and share. If you have anyone or anything that needs to be searched for, leave me a comment and I'll get you on the network.